Well, City Lights is one of the most special film in my career, as it has been one of the most challenging part for me as an actor. Like, it has drained me out completely when we were shooting City Lights. After the shoot got over, when we used to go back home, I think all of us were just quiet because we were all so drained out of emotion that we wanted to just go back and sleep with our thoughts about our characters. Beautiful and wonderful journey with Hansal sir again after Shahid. I think our challenge was to make this film not like Shahid, and we should not think of Shahid while making it. And for me, that was the most challenging thing as an actor, that he should not think about Shahid while looking at me performing in City Lights.
It's my first film, so I have given my heart and soul to it. I don't have enough gratitude, I can't thank Hansal sir enough to take me in this film. But sir, thank you so much. Vijay sir, thank you. I can't tell you, I'm overwhelmed, I'm happy because I know I couldn't have got a better character and a better platform than this.
What made me do it? You see, my belief is that the moment you taste success, decay begins. Because it's only when you feel very comfortable, a kind of smugness creeps into you, and when you become the establishment. I had started getting the feeling that the filmmaker who made Arth Saransh, who was called the Zafan the Terrible outside on the fringes, over the years had become the establishment. Vijay, knowing my thirst, feeling my kind of inclination, came up with the story. And then Hansal happened and Rajkumar Rao happened because I saw Shahid. And if that morning Rajkumar had not come with the DVD of Shahid, and I had not seen the work of these brave the filmmaker and Rajkumar, I wouldn't have perhaps dared to take a leap into City Lights. So it is the courage of Hansal Mehta and his audacity and his guerrilla economics. You see, he's making a new kind of, what makes him very dangerous, I keep on saying, he's like China. China makes products at the cost of raw material that the world purchases. So I think what makes him so deadly, that he's made such a powerful film in the economics, and you can't dare him on this wicket. So that's what was the rationale behind all this.
एक मेरा फिल्म में एक बहुत प्यारा मोमेंट है, उसमें कोई डायलॉग ही नहीं है। वो एक सीन है जब ये मुझे बताते हैं कि मुझे काम मिल गया है, और फिर एक विजुअल है जहाँ पे दोनों बैठ के सिर्फ रो रहे हैं। तो आई थिंक वो मोमेंट मुझे बहुत टच करता है जब भी मैं उसको देखता हूँ, क्योंकि उसमें कुछ शब्द नहीं है, बिना शब्दों के वो सब कुछ बयान कर रहा है कि कैसा फील महसूस कर रहा होगा ये आदमी, कि जिसके वो अपनी बीवी से इतना प्यार करता है, उसको कभी कुछ नहीं होने दिया, आज वो जाके एक बार में बार डांस गर्ल बन गई है।
While we were shooting it, there was a moment, the cameraman came to me, he said, I was in tears while I was shooting. I was completely choked up. And the cameraman came and said, sir, Rajkumar's nose is... Naak beh raha hai, sir, naak beh raha hai. Do you want to retake? I said, I'm completely, I'm choked up right now. I cannot ask him to stop his nose from flowing. It is his body which is reacting to that moment. And I cannot stop that. I cannot do anything fake. That is the level of honesty that went into that performance.
जी ज़रूर करता हूँ। देखिए, दीपक जो है वो भी मुंबई में आया है नए सपने लेकर, कुछ अपनी नई ज़िंदगी की शुरुआत करने। जब मैं मुंबई आया था 2008 में, मेरे भी सपने थे, मेरे लिए भी शहर अजनबी था। तो मुझे तो शहर ने बहुत अच्छा रिसीव किया है, बहुत गले लगाया है। तो दीपक के सपने पूरे होंगे कि नहीं, वो देखना। सिटी लाइट्स आ रही है 30 मई को। बहुत ही खूबसूरत फिल्म है, हमने कुछ लोगों को फिल्म दिखाई है, आप लोगों ने भी देखी है, और उम्मीद है कि आप सब लोगों को भी अच्छी लगी है कुछ क्लिपिंग्स जो हमने दिखाई हैं। तो बहुत ही खूबसूरत फिल्म है, बहुत ईमानदार फिल्म है, गाने बहुत अच्छे हैं, स्टोरी बहुत ही कंटेंट ओरिएंटेड है। इट्स वेरी हाई ऑन इमोशंस, आपको टच करेगी फिल्म, आपको मूव करेगी कहीं ना कहीं। तो ये 30 मई को आ रही है। राजस्थान के 2 लोग हैं, वो आ रहे हैं बम्बई शहर में अपने सपने पूरे करने।
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.